Welcome to how to do it. Today we're gonna talk about that. I was trying to copy my SD cards data and I was trying to paste some other videos into my SD card, and I found that it's showing that the disk is protected. Please remove the protection or remove the change the card. Now I decided to solve this problem and I tried and I found a solution. I'm gonna share with you. First of all, like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, we have to insert the card and go to command prompt by click on start button. When we click on command prompt, we have to type over there disk part and press enter. When we type disk part and press enter, we see many options like this. From there we have type list disk and press enter. When we typed list disk and press enter, we found our disk into the drive, and as you can check out, we have two drives like this, and from there you have to choose according to the size of your SD card. Choose that drive. Keep in mind that don't by mistake don't choose your computer's hard disk or SSD, it may damage that too. So choose that one, type select disk, and after a space type the number of the disk and press enter, and after that you will see that disk is selected. Now type attributes disk clear read only, and after that press enter. And when you press enter, as you can check out, the disk is cleared from the protection and it's showing the successful. After that you have to type exit and press enter, and now your drive is ready to use. If we try to copy right now, it's not possible, because you have to eject this device firstly, and after that you have to insert this SD card again, and after that you will find that it's properly copying the data. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.